Hey friends, if the taskbar has disappeared from the desktop in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart the file explorer process. So search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Now right click on the Windows Explorer process and select Restart. The next solution is to turn off the auto hide feature. Now if you can see the taskbar when you scroll down here, then right click on it and select taskbar settings. If not, then press the Windows key and the I key together to open the settings window. Go to personalization, scroll down and click on taskbar. Basically you need to reach the taskbar page. Scroll down, click on taskbar behaviors, and there's an option which says automatically hide the taskbar. Make sure that this is unchecked. Okay. And the last thing is that a lot of third-party programs and games and all also cause the taskbar to disappear. So to isolate this case, reboot your system in the clean boot state. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the checkbox associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable or apply, OK, and then restart your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.